Hello guys, in this video, I will compare Tailscale, NetBird, and TwinGate, the three top tools for secure remote network access in 2025. So let's break them down in each in terms of setup, performance, security, and pricing. So for number 1, setup and ease of use. Tailscale stands out for its dead simple setup using your existing Google or GitHub account. While NetBird is also quick, but it requires a bit more configuration. And TwinGate is enterprise focused, so setup can be a little more technical and time consuming. Number 2, performance and reliability. Tailscale uses WireGuard under the hood, offering fast and stable connections, while NetBird also uses WireGuard, but it's open source, making it flexible for advanced users. And TwinGate, on the other hand, prioritizes reliability and enterprise-grade scaling, but sometimes introduces latency due to relay dependencies. Number 3, security features. All three of the tools offer end-to-end encryption. TwinGate has robust access controls, which is ideal for enterprise teams, while NetBird is privacy-focused and allows self-hosted deployments, and Tailscale has ACLs and key expiry for security management. Number 4, pricing and scalability. Tailscale has a generous free tier and fair pricing for teams, while NetBird is open source and completely free for self-hosted setups. And TwinGate is more expensive and tailored for medium to large businesses. So for conclusion, if you will use it for personal or small business use, Tailscale is the easiest and most reliable. For open source fans and self-hosters, you can go with NetBird. And for enterprise level access control and reliability, you can go with TwinGate. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.